In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in HITMAN 2. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this retail and drag and drop this team emu.ini inside. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back to HITMAN 2 and open retail folder and drag and drop this team emu. Replace the file in the destination. Once you've done this, navigate to this PCC drive users, public documents, Steam, DAX, 863550, remote, and drop these two folders. Place the file in the destination and launch the game. Once you are in game, you need to change this language. Go to settings and select this flag icon and select the first option. Select change to English. Go to campaign. HITMAN 2 and everything is unlocked. You can choose the mission you like to play. The save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.